Welcome heroes and heroines. In this video we are going to see how to print a basic program, how to print hello world in the Python, and then we will see the given number, how to check the given number is even or odd. Now for printing hello world in Python, it just requires a single line of code. That is, we will write like this: print hello world. When we compare with other languages such as C, C++, Java, it requires, for printing this content, it requires more number of lines and it requires more number of memory. If we consider C, we have to write that is header files, that is includes stdio.h, and then we have to declare int main, and we have to give braces like this, and then we have to declare printf and the content which we have to write, which we have to show the user, and then we have to give these semicolons. If we forget these semicolons, and the program will not run and it will just throw an error. And we have to declare braces, and when we declare the int, we have to just write, we have to return something, return 0. And when we compare, it is in Python and it is in C. When we compare these lines, in Python it just requires only single line of code. That is the beauty of Python. Now we are going to see how to check the given number is even or odd. As a programmer, we have to always take the number from user side only. In C, we always take number as using scanf. In Python, how we will take the number from the user? That is, we will write n equal to input. We have to show the content, so we have to write enter a number to check. As we are declaring this content in the quotes like this, so this matter will be seen by the user and the user will give the number. By declaring like this, the number will be, in Python, the number will be treated as string. So from string we have to change that number to an integer. So for that we will declare int. Like this we have to take the number from the user. And to check a number is even number. For even number, the condition is the number should be divided by 2 and the remainder must equal to 0. If this condition will satisfy, the number is said to be even. Or if this condition is not satisfied, then the number is said to be odd. Then we have to write some conditions. In Python, we use if condition, else if, or elif. Elif, it is treated as nested if. Ifin if, it is like ifin if. And for this, now we have to write if conditions. We write if condition like this: if n divided by 2, that is equal to 0, and we have to mention colon. For conditions we have to write colon, and then by giving a tab space like this, one tab space will be there. By giving tab space, after tab space we have to write print it is an even number. Even number. And if the condition is not satisfied, then we have to write if n divided by 2 is not equal to 0, then it should be odd number. It is odd number. It's just weird, right? If a number is not an even number, then the number will be odd number. Then for that also we are writing one more condition. To prevent this writing of one more condition, they just evaluated else condition, that is else. If the number is satisfied this condition, then it is should be even number. If number is not satisfied this condition, then we will write else, print it is an odd number. That's it. So the whole program will be look like this. This is the program to check the given number is even or odd number. Hey, we just written a code for checking a single number even or odd. Let's consider that user given like this list of numbers. We have to check these numbers even or odd. How we will check? We will check by one. While thinking on one by one, our mind will strike that it was a loop. So here I will use my favorite loop, that is for loop. How we will write for loop? In Python, we use for loop like this: for I in a. That is, a means it will be a range. In other languages, for loop will be written as for and first initialization and then condition, and it will be increment. These three should be there in for loop. But in Python, we will write like this: for I in a. A means it is a range. After writing for loop, we just written the code of checking the number is even or odd, like this. And then in Python there is no need of writing a data type. In any other languages, we have to write int, float or string. We have to declare these data types in other languages. But in Python, it will automatically generate data types. So there is no need of writing data types. This is the another beauty of Python. Just practice these codes on your system and we will meet on next video. Until then, bye bye.